guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back and thanks for joining me today. I'm back with a deep conditioning video. I'm back with the DIY video, and today's video is a collaboration video. Yes, another one. And I'm going to be collaborating with the fabulous Imani Shakir. Yes, here on YouTube. She's a fellow natural hair YouTuber, of course, and we decided to do a deep conditioning video. I haven't done a deep conditioning video on my channel for a while. I do deep condition on my hair on a regular basis, probably on a weekly basis, and I just don't put all of it on my channel. But yeah, today we decided to do a deep conditioning video, and I decided to go for the aloe vera deep conditioning hair mask. It's simple. Literally all you need is aloe vera and any oil of your choice. So I got me this aloe vera from my local market. As you can see, it's so huge and juicy, and what you want to do is just cut the aloe vera basically, and just as you see me do, just peel it out. And I added coconut oil in there. I added some castor oil, I added some argan oil, I added some peppermint oil, as well as what else was in there, tea tree oil. If you haven't seen, oh by the way, if you haven't seen my video of my oil mix, I'll link it down below so that you guys can check that out. That's my, you guys know, like I repeat this in probably every other video I say it, I'm on a hair growth journey. My hair grows on a regular, average length, probably slower than the average length, but I'm trying to do everything to aid it into growing more. With that being said, actually aloe vera contains proteolytic enzymes, which helps heal and repair the damaged cells in your scalp, and this improves the health of the hair follicles and indirectly boosts healthy and faster hair growth, which is my goal. And the moisture content in aloe vera helps condition your hair, locking in nutrients and hydration. So basically the key to faster hair growth is moisture. That's basically it. If you want to see hair growth, you have to constantly moisturize your hair. Your hair has to be constantly and regularly hydrated. It's just like a plant. If you want to see a plant grow, you have to keep watering it, you have to keep nurturing it. So it's the same thing with natural hair, the same thing with natural hair care basically. So yeah, as you can see, it's literally easy. I'm gonna leave the link to this video so that you guys can check out her version of her deep conditioning video, which is dope as well. I'm going to try her version as well. I love it. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next video. Besos.